Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today in this video lecture I would like to guide you for 20 feet span column reinforcement details. This is the topic for today and you can see the practical video to know about 20 feet span steel reinforcement for RCC column. Let's get started guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may like this video and subscribe the channel. If you have already subscribed the channel, so you may like this video. Guys, first of all, remember the size of the column for the span up to 20 feet for G plus 1 story. G plus 1 means ground plus first floor. For this, the size of the column should not be less than, if the span is up to 20 feet, the size should not be less than 12 inches by 9 inches. This is the minimum size for 20 feet span. Now let me guide you for its steel reinforcement details. Remember guys, use 6 numbers of steel rods: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 numbers of steel rods. Now let me show you the ring details. You can see clearly. Okay, and this is hook. Right, now let me guide you for its steel reinforcement. So use 6 numbers and the dia should be not less than 12 millimeter. 6 number diameter, 12 millimeter. Okay, now let me guide you for a ring size. Use 8 millimeter diameter with the spacing of 6 to 8 inches center to center. Okay, these are details for steel reinforcement. Now guys, here first of all, so we discussed already. Now let me guide you for it at this long section. Suppose the height of the column is 12 feet. For example, this is 12 feet. Okay, and here guys you can see this is its foundation or footing, you can say this one. So use minimum 3-inch PCC, which ratio should not be less than 1:8. Okay, with the thickness of 3 inches. Remember this leg length guys, you can see this one. This leg length should not be less than this one, not be less than 12 inches. It should not be less than, this is minimum. Okay, next for both sides. Okay, next guys, if you see the ring steel reinforcement, we have 3 sections here: top section, bottom section, middle section. So if you divide H by 3 means 12 feet divided by 3, we have 4 feet. So at the distance of 4 feet, the tie spacing should be 6 inches, C/C. You can see clearly. At the middle guys, again the size of the ties should be 6 inches also here, because here we also require to provide lapping length. Okay, 6 inches center to center. After this guys, you can increase the spacing like this, and here also 6 inches center to center. You can increase here up to 8 inches center to center, but at the bottom, top and also at the middle. That's why, because lapping is allowed at the middle, not at the bottom portion, not near at RCC slab. Guys, you can see this is slab. Okay, or floor you can say, and this is continued. The column continue for the first floor and second floor. Okay, so guys, these are the details. Remember, lapping should not be less than 60D, where D is die of steel rod, but normally don't use less than 3 feet. Okay, this is for lapping. And use M20 grade concrete. M20 grade concrete. Which ratio is 1:1.5:3. This is M20 grade concrete. If you see guys, the hook's length is here. These are hooks details. The hook length should not be less than 3 inches. It should not be less than this. And the angle should be on 135 degree guys. This one 135 degree, this angle, the hook length. Don't bend the angle on 90 degree. Okay, this is the correct way. If you provide on 90 degree, so this is not the proper way. So guys, this is the topic for today, to know steel reinforcement details for the span of 20 feet. What should be the size of column inside steel reinforcement, hooks details, ring details, lapping, etc., PCC, grade of concrete, etc., G4, G+, 1 story. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.